We are glad to be here, and we are also happy to have been invited by the leadership of Agricultural Society of Kenya for this A.S.K Show of the year 2023. We've gone through the stands, and all I can say is that we've been able to see quite excellent productions and jobs that have been done by the farmers and also by other exhibitors. We've seen how technology has been deployed to ensure that we are able to adapt smart farming techniques in all our agricultural production. And we can say as Konza Technopolis, we are here and happy to partner with the A.S.K leadership to ensure that we are able to provide support to our smart farming and sustainable farming to ensure that we can economically grow as a country. In Konza Technopolis, we are working on various innovation techniques and application of technology in smart farming, and we've been able to provide the necessary infrastructure that will be able to drive our farming techniques going forward. We've been able to see what the farmers have done, and we can only say that the future is bright as far as our A.S.K activities is concerned. And we congratulate the leadership of the Agricultural Society of Kenya for having considered Konza Technopolis as a partner in this initiative.